guys, so we are going to swim. It's Easter Monday, just to cool off before school resumes next week Monday. Like school don't they resume now, God I beg. I never even fat finish. So guys, we are going out. We'll show you our outfit when we get there. Nothing serious. Casual. Just to swim and come back. Bye.
Hi besties, I know you miss me and I miss you guys too. Pharmacy school has been doing a lot to me. So guys, we just completed our exams and all I can say is Jesus be glorified because so much happened. I lost a lot of weight this semester. I was mentally, physically, emotionally drained. The 400 level was this hard. Ha! It's not easy being a clinical student like this. I'm ready to graduate, guys. I am so ready to graduate. Anyway, we're back to this vlog. Myself and my friend went to cool off, went to relax, went to put our head in water because we have seen shake. Went to this first hotel that has a pool and they were like, oh, they are cleaning it and could not swim, so we had to look for another location. But we took a lot of pictures. After which we left to go and look for another location. We made a lot of calls before we could get to the next location. Honestly, this place was beautiful. The ambience was really, really nice. It was really, really beautiful. The distance was really, really far from us, but we needed it, so we had to go for it. We paid for our ticket and we had to go and change. You guys, I moved from looking like a baddie to looking like a baddie. If you see me like this now, you think, this girl know how to swim. Oh, see, they nothing. I don't know how to swim. At a point, I was even at the kiddies part of the pool because, hey, I don't want to drown. No, now just relax. I want to relax. I played a little before we got into the pool. Trust me, any opportunity to show myself that I can play. I know how to play. Do you know that I don't like water? I don't know how to swim. But somehow, I wanted to go to the pool. And the funny thing is, on a normal day, I don't spend more than 1 hour in a pool because I'll start feeling really, really cold. But my friends did not allow me. Hey, I was in this water for over 4 hours. At a point, I was like, guys, please, I want to go. I'm shaking my teeth. These girls finally allowed me to leave the water. Anyway, this is Fejiro and Gift, and Fejiro almost drowned like 50 times in this pool because she wanted to learn how to swim by fire by force. Now, one day person they learn how to use swim. Why me? I was just relaxing, thinking about my exam, all the rubbish papers I wrote, and asking God to have mercy upon me. At some point, I became really hungry. I don't know if it's a thing with swimming, but I became really hungry, and we stepped out from the pool to get ice cream and meat pie, just snacks. After eating, I was like, you know what, I'm going to change. I'm going to go back and wear my clothes because school was killing me. These girls did not allow me. They did not allow me. At this point, I'm going to allow you guys to enjoy the rest of the video. Disclaimer, Feji almost died 52 times in this video because for some reason, she wanted to learn how to swim by fire by force. Enjoy the rest of the video, guys.
Nothing's ever been a waste, now that I've been wide awake. Luke's trying to pull me back in. I was down for a minute and forgot the passion. Since the lights turned on, it's been camera action. And you start to see it all like a shit reaction. Why see that be it? Swear that I'ma find my way. Past been gone, I'ma watch it all fade. Whoa, guess I'm going MIA from everybody's problems. Oh, guess I'm locked in, guess I'm locked in. I got that, and it's on my soul. Guess I'm locked in, guess I'm locked in. And that's on my soul. Time's moving, I've been losing track of where I've been. Had to quiet all the voices living in my head. I see the riches of the world, I'm not impressed. Know that I'm far from perfect, but trying my best. Looking up to the sky, feeling grateful. Boy, I had to walk away from the fake road. Can't believe I'm still here on my way to find out the truth. Swear that I'ma find my way. Past been gone, I'ma watch it all fade. Whoa, guess I'm going MIA from everybody's problems. Guess I'm locked in, guess I'm locked in. I got this, and it's on my soul. Guess I'm locked in, guess I'm locked in. I got this, and that's on my soul.
Thank you guys for watching. Please do have to like, share, subscribe. Please drop a comment. Tell me the videos you want to see. Is it about pharmacy school? Is it about my daily life? what I'm doing, it's about my business. Drop it in the comment. Any question you have or any video you want to see, please drop it in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. Love you. And this is your first time, please do to drop a notification bell so I will notify whenever I post a video. Love you guys. Bye.